All right, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to bring in a RSS feed or a blog. There's several ways you could bring in a blog into your mobile app. Number one, you can add a blog to your tabs that are below just by clicking Manage Tabs, then create tabs, then choose Blog. Click Next, and then click Next again, and you can type it whatever you want to type it. I'm going to type blog and just find an icon that I like that represents that. And I'm going to bring it from inactive to active and click Save. And I'm going to go back to my mobile app builder. Now you can see my blog tab is in place. If I want to bring in a RSS URL or a link, real simple, just click on the blog icon here and you can see where you will copy and paste your RSS feed. I'm just going to copy an RSS feed from the top 100 fitness RSS feeds. Real simple. You may already have an RSS feed that goes to your website or to your blog, so you can keep your followers up to date in real time. Just take that link and paste it, and that's it. Click Save, and you have successfully brought in your RSS feed inside your blog. So when a user clicks on blog, it will bring them immediately to your blog in real time. So that's the first way you can bring in a blog. The second way is to go back to Apps, Mobile Apps, and then click Add Item. From here, you're going to select RSS, click Add RSS, and then you're going to just type it. I'm just going to call it Test RSS. And then I'm going to paste the RSS feed that I already had earlier. Click Add. And now I have an RSS feed button that is in the draft status. Remember, I cannot add a draft status item into my mobile app, so I have to publish it first and add the artwork. To do that, just click on the RSS button. As you can see, my link is already in place. All I have to do is just create the appearance or the thumbnails by clicking on it. I've already uploaded RSS feed logos that we previously created. And there you go. All three have been added. All I got to do now is just hit Save and Published. Now once it's been published, I'm just going to go back and my pop-up window will show the Test RSS. The draft icon is gone because it's published now. Now I can bring it into my mobile app. I'm going to select it, click Apply, and there it is. Now it's been added to my mobile app home page. I'm going to click Save, and voila, I am done. I've now added my RSS feed button, so when someone clicks this, it will open up your RSS site so they can keep up with you in real time. Another way to view your RSS feeds would be to go back to Media Assets and scroll down to where you see RSS feeds. Click on it and you will see the RSS feed that we just created. From here, you can also click Create RSS Item and create a brand new RSS feed. And just repeat that process. Right, that's if you decide to have multiple RSS feeds inside your mobile app. But that's it. You are done. You have successfully added a RSS feed to your mobile app homepage. Keep watching the rest of the videos as we continue to add different media assets to your homepage to ultimately get you to where you are ready to publish your mobile app. Thanks for watching.